Hello YouTube, this is Michael D. Provenzano. Today I'm bringing you a video of me scanning a Google search. Alright, so first we're gonna run this. Alright, so here we have that. We're gonna search in URL. Okay, we're gonna be searching that and getting the results. Okay, these are the results. Okay, now exit that. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna run Wireshark. Alright, just show you guys. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So these are the requests from my computer, right? Now watch what happens when alright, hold on. So how this works is there's a file here. Right. So these are the these are the URLs, right? That original one got without the doubles, because there's a lot of doubles. But anyways, so what it's gonna do is gonna go from all of these, all the Google search things we searched, and it's gonna spider each one of those. All right, so watch this. This will be cool. All right, so you see no number. Hold on, I don't know. All right, yeah, I believe that's what it means. Keep an eye on that. Now watch this. Look at that. Look how many. Oh my god. Like, look at that. Look how fast. Oh my. It's like, I have to be careful. It's like, I don't want to get blacklisted. It's almost like we're doing a DDoS or a DOS attack. That's how many requests we're sending, except we're sending them to multiple pages. But, no, hold on. Oh, that's not right. All right. I'm just going to be filtering out the TCP packets. But I mean, look at that. I'm going to stop it just because it's ridiculous. All right. Now look at this. These are all the requests, or these are all the pages that we got. I mean, look at this. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. Here, I'm gonna do that because so I can get ready for something else, like a new one. But look at this. Look at all that. All right, so what we can do with this information is we can look for something like, I don't know. So I don't know, something that seems out of the ordinary. But I mean, look at that. All right, so those are different. Must be a little out of order, but I mean, you get the idea. It's crazy. And that's about it. Thanks.